Yeah, hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I was thinking I'll do the green lip mussel and the prawn mukbang. I've already roasted it in coconut cream and with garlic and ginger. So I thought I'll do that today. And like I said before, that I was gonna do the mukbang of it. And what I have today as well is taro. I thought I sliced me up some taro to eat it with, so that's what I did. But today is water because the coconut cream can get rich, and I've got taro. As I told you before, it's galo. In our Samoan language, it's called galo, and it's delicious. It's yum, like I said. Anyway, I think I'll try with the mussel first. See, that's mussel with coconut cream all over it. Oops, having a bit of struggle, but they're gonna be tight sometimes. No, I think I'll use my hands. I have a really good friend, Cook Island girl. She always uses her hands because she told me that hands were made before knives and forks, and she's right. She said to me that eating with hands and fingers and stuff makes her food taste better, and probably so. This is prawn. Oh, there's the fingers. You know, the coconut cream that I used is Cara. The flavours are so nice because what I put in it, you know, you gotta put flavour. You gotta put flavour in your foods. These mussels are so good. I just had to suck the coconut cream off it first. Sometimes you don't even need taro, especially when it's going all good, like you're enjoying what you're doing, opening up these prawns and digging into them. I always bite the bottom here, not completely through, but I just chip it just to crack the just to break the prawn from its tail, and then you can get most of it. Some people just bite it up to here and then they stop. Oh, my dirty hands. But not me. I bite it here. Get as much out as you can. Oh, the thickness of the coconut cream, so nice. Excuse me. That's so nice. With my towel. Oh, here it is. Right in front of me. See that painting at the back? My daughter done that. She said one day, can you buy me some canvas? I wanna be an artist. So I'll go and buy her canvas with some paint, and that's what she started. That's her first one. Then she done another one, and like with the forest and the big lake, and pretty good for her first time. Here's the sauce on that, and the big one, big prawn. This is the pre-cooked ones, because you don't want to you don't want to overcook it, because it's already cooked. So you don't want to overcook it. It's like you're killing it over and over, the prawns, even the mussels. So it's better to buy the raw seafood, and then you bake it not too long. This is so lovely. I should have got me serviettes. See? This mussel. Oh. I love raw mussel too. In New Zealand, you go and get your raw mussels, and you get it from the shop or the supermarket or something, and they're still alive. That's how fresh they are. My dad used to do. He used to use can of fish, and it's always enough. He doesn't do it he mainly just does it on Sundays. Maybe it just reminds him of Gungais. Samoan lunches back in the island. Back in the islands. That's when you go to church, and then you look forward to that beautiful lunch. That's if your family all get together and make the lunch. Or some goes to church, and then some stay behind and get together, chat, laugh, while they're making it all. Goers come back, they get changed, freshen up, and then they get ready for the next stage of preparing the food for them. It's so good, the custom how they do it in Samoa. Because when I went to Samoa before, they like to serve you really nicely. I get I wish they didn't have to do that, because I want them to, but that's their way. I mean, our way, sorry. I was just talking about those who's living in Samoa. Look, there's some juice in this one. So good. Palo. Have another prawn. Anyway, guys, if you guys If you guys enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. And you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and that tinker bell. And my daughter goes, it's not a tinker bell, Mum. But, you know, it's that bell you have to, you know, press if you want to, you know that I'm around, you know, then you come and watch my video and I'll be happy to have you, you know, enjoy my food. And all I can say is that you take care out there and you be awesome. Be the most awesomest of awesome. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.